Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about my Nectar mattress. I got it a while ago, but I want to do like an updated video to let you know how we're loving it like a year after we got it. So if you want to know my review of our Nectar mattress, then just keep watching. Alright, so we got our Nectar a while ago. I want to say it was right around this time last year, so it's been a while. I feel like we can give a really solid review on it now that we've been sleeping on it forever. The mattress in a box. I will try to insert, we filmed like unboxing it, putting it together. It was really fun. It was easy, but I'll try to put that in here so that you can see. It is mattress in a box, so it kind of comes like in a box and you open it and it takes like, I don't know, a few hours to plump up basically. So it's super easy. I love that you can just have it shipped like that and you can carry it in your house and set it up. So we love that. We had our previous mattress we got new and we had it probably 6 months before we start to see like, we have a king size bed and so we're kind of just on our own sides, and we like after a couple of months we were starting to see that little like dip, like the mattress was breaking down where we would sleep. And I thought that was kind of weird, but I thought maybe because it's a king and it's so big, there's always going to be like that hump in the middle of like no one sleeps in the direct center. I don't know. I thought that was normal. So I kind of expected the Nectar to do that, and now it's still not doing that. It still looks brand new. It has a zip-on cover, which I will try to insert a clip of showing you that, but you can zip off the cover and wash it. That's so cool because we have 2 kids, a dog. Just being a woman, you guys know that it's so convenient to be able to do that. That's like, I've never seen that before, so love that. Also, before in our other mattress, previous, I had constant like hip and low back pain, and it was because the mattress wasn't supportive enough. It was just like literally laying like on a cloud. You would just sink in. It was no support. So I tried like knee pillows, and I still use a knee pillow, but nothing helped. And I just had this like, I want to say it was similar to like sciatic pain, where it just like shoot pain down my legs. And it's like the day 1 of using this mattress, it was like eliminated. I didn't have that. I haven't had that since sleeping on this. So it has solved so many problems. I feel like I'm just praising this bed, but it is seriously so good. And the reviews on their website are amazing. So you guys should just go check them out. They also have on their website, like you can compare Nectar to all the other popular brands that are similar. So you just click on what you want to compare to and it gives you a chart and like all the things you need to know about each one, and including the price. And Nectar is priced really, really well. Okay, so I have some points here that I did not want to forget. So the first one, soft yet firm. So yeah, it's very supportive, but it also just feels like when you lay down, it feels like you're laying on it. So soft, like just so comfortable. Every night when we get into bed, we're like, oh, this is so comfy. And still, like a year later, we're still like, this is the best mattress ever. Because before, Chris would like a firm mattress and I liked a super soft mattress, but this is like somewhere in between, like a magical in between, where it's supportive, firm, and soft all at once, and it's so cool. Not showing any signs of wear. Yeah, I just mentioned that. Like it still looks brand new. I'm really impressed with that. Especially it being a mattress in a box. You never really know, like, because I feel like such a new thing still that you aren't sure. Like, I don't know what to expect. And then priced really well. Yes, I already mentioned that. You can compare to all the similar ones, and their price is really good, and they're always having a sale. Like right now, just going to their website, it's $399 of free accessories with your mattress. They are having a big sale. One of the main reasons I'm doing this video is for 2 reasons. They are having a huge sale on November 1st, so make sure you are following me and them on Instagram. I will share all of the details of the sale then, November 1st. Number 2, they're doing a sweepstakes right now, and they are giving away 25 mattresses for $25 every hour for 25 hours. It's like I'm saying 25 a million times. They are giving away 25 mattresses for $25, which is such a good deal. And the third thing I wanted to share in this video is they are also doing a essential workers giveaway. They're giving away 25 mattresses to essential workers. So you can go on, and the links to all this I will put in the description. So you can go on and I think nominate essential workers for that sweepstakes, but there are 2 different ones going on, so make sure you click on both links. Okay, and the last thing I want to share about Nectar is they just launched, or they just came out with furniture. So these 2 nightstands, how beautiful. I will share a clip of like close up, and so you can see the gold hardware. They're just so pretty. I'm in love. And they also have like platforms and headboards. So this headboard I will also share a close-up, but this is Nectar, but we are getting ready to swap to this same, they have a platform to go with these nightstands, and it is same color, like blonde, like golden oak wood, and I am so excited. I want it all to match, so we're gonna switch, but the furniture is beautiful. They have white, I think, let me look at the different colors. So they have white, black, or this golden oak. So there are different options, but it's super good quality. I was very impressed. And it's just beautiful. It just makes our room look so much better, so cozy and homey and warm. And so they have options as far as platforms for their mattresses. They also have furniture. They have dressers, nightstands, and the platforms. So make sure you go check out their website to see all of the furniture, like I said, because it's pretty new. They also have bedding, so they have sheets, a mattress cover, they have pillows too, which are so good, and they also have a duvet, which is a newer product, so you can go check out that. And then lastly, they have 2 different mattresses. We just have the Nectar mattress, the original. They also have a Lush mattress, so you can go on and see like which one would be best for you. But the review and everything that I'm talking about is for the original, the Nectar mattress. When you go on their site, it'll be labeled as that. Okay, so I think that's it. I just wanted to make this short and sweet and share how much we're loving our Nectar. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.